Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a super useful skill, how to change the font size in Google Sheets both on your desktop and mobile device. If you've ever opened up a spreadsheet and thought, wow, this text is way too tiny or way too huge, don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to adjust your font size so your data always looks clear, organized, and easy to read no matter where you're working. Alright, let's dive in and start with the desktop version first. So imagine you've got your Google Sheet open, maybe it's a budget you're managing, a list you're organizing for a project, or even a class roster. Sometimes you just need a certain cell or a whole section to stand out right here. What you'll do first, give a quick click on the cell or the piece of text that you want to adjust. Just a single click is enough. If you want to change the font size of multiple cells, you can click and drag over a range. That'll highlight everything you want to modify. Now look up at the toolbar at the top of your screen, kind of like the dashboard of your car. All the basic controls are there. Find the font size icon. It looks like a small number with an up and down arrow beside it. This is where all your text sizing magic happens. Go ahead and click on it. You'll see a drop-down menu showing various numbers. Typically it starts around 10 and goes up, but you can actually type in your own size if you want something very specific. If you're aiming for bigger, clearer text, maybe for a heading or a really important figure, select a larger number like 14, 18, or even higher depending on your needs. You'll see the change right away and your text will instantly pop out more. If your sheet is looking cluttered or you want to fit more data and without scrolling, try a smaller number like 8 or 9. Remember, there's no perfect size, just what works best for your project and keeps everything readable. Now, if you want to apply this change to the entire sheet, sometimes you want every cell to be the same size for a neat, consistent look. You don't have to click each cell one by one. Here's a pro tip. Just click the little rectangle in the very top left corner, right between the row numbers and the column letters. That selects all your data at once. It might take a second for your sheet to get fully highlighted, especially if you have a lot going on, but once it is, follow the exact same procedure. Hit that font size icon, choose your number, and boom, every cell updates at once. Okay, let's quickly talk about doing this on your mobile device like a phone or a tablet. The steps are similar, just adapted to a smaller screen. Open your Google Sheets app and tap the cell or range of cells you want to update. Then look for the formatting button, usually a capital A with some lines next to it at the top or bottom of your screen. Tap that and you'll see an option for font size. Just slide or tap to pick the size you want and you're done. It's really that straightforward. And that's it. Whether you're on your computer or using your phone on the go, changing the font size in Google Sheets is just a couple of clicks or taps away. It's a small tweak, but it can make a huge difference in how you see and share your information. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit that like button and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or tips of your own. And don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step guides and tech tips so you can keep mastering your digital life. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.